The credit union's member-to-member lets you easily send and receive money instantly. To see how easy it is to use member-to-member, begin by logging into your account. Next, choose the Move Money option at the top of the screen. In Move Money, choose the Member-to-Member option. If this is your first time using member-to-member, you will need to enroll your phone number or email address. Enroll the phone number or email that received the member-to-member transfer. Enter your information in the space provided and tap the Next button. Complete a two-factor verification sent to the contact option from the previous step. Enter the code in the space provided and tap the Next button. Choose the share where funds will deposit when a member-to-member transfer is accepted and select Enroll. Return to member and tap the Receive option at the top of the screen where any awaiting transfers will appear. From here, accept the funds and have them deposited into your account or decline and have the funds returned to the sender. If you want to send money, return to member. Choose a contact from the list or add a new contact by typing their phone number or email in the space provided at the top of the screen and tapping Add New. Next, you can personalize the transfer by adding a card and a message, or leave the form blank and select Skip this step. Then, choose the share you want the money to be withdrawn from. Last, enter the amount you want to send. Confirm the transfer details are correct and complete the transfer by selecting the Send button. You will receive a success message with an overview of the transfer once it has been completed. Try member-to-member the next time you want to transfer funds instantly.